Okay, so very good evening, guys, and welcome to Brain Lab Techies. I hope many of you will be remembering us. I am Sugam Samanta, and there is another trainer is there. My colleague is there. So her name is Suchna Hati, and I guess many of you will be remembering us. We had started our channel with the same name as the Brain Lab Techies, but due to some unfortunate reasons, we had to close the YouTube channel and all. And today we have thought that let us start the channel once again. Let us begin our journey from the beginning, and we'll be posting, we'll be giving the topics, or we'll be training the contents regarding the data science. Okay, so here we'll be covering mainly Python, everything related to data science like machine learning, deep learning, what all trending things are there. There are many trending topics are going on right now, right? Many trending things are going on. RAG, people are talking about RAG, deep learning, Chat GPT, Claude, many things are going on in the market. So if you want to get a personalized course, if you want to get a personalized roadmap where you are just thinking like from where we will be starting, from where we'll be going on, like if I think about from where I will be starting our career, or I'll start to learn the data science. So I can assure you that brain lab techies will be a best thing. Brain lab techies will be a very right choice for you guys, where you will be getting everything in a systematic way, and everything will be followed by a proper roadmap. It's not like in YouTube you will not get other contents. I will not say that you will not get other teachers, other trainers over the YouTube or any other social media platforms or any other courses. But the thing which I will be providing, or which we will be providing, is that a personalized thing, a very personalized thing, by which uh, you know you will be directly have the confidence to get into the industry, because confidence is required, right? What you will be requiring, what the knowledge is you require for getting into the industry, what are the knowledges, what are the actual skills you required to get into the industry, that we will be providing. By which, by learning these skills, by learning the exact roadmap, exact whatever we are teaching, by learning the exact thing, you can go into the industry very easily. Trust me, very easily you can crack any interviews in the data science, in the field of data science. And I hope many of you will be remembering us, because we had the YouTube channel with the same name, Brain Lab Techies, but unfortunately because of some reasons we had to close it. And today we were thinking to let us restart this channel once again, and we are here to begin the journey from the very beginning, and with a more refined content. With more refined contents you will be getting regarding Python, regarding machine learning, regarding deep learning, regarding statistics, regarding the mathematics, what all going on inside the data science, what all going on behind the chat GPT, behind the Anthropic Claude. Everything we will reveal in front of you. Okay. So stay tuned with us. If you really want to learn useful contents, if you really want to get a personalized roadmap, so follow our channel, subscribe our channel. And one of the most important thing I like found in many YouTube channels, I didn't find any YouTube channel, that is, YouTube channels don't many trainers don't want the feedbacks, but we do want the feedback. So please give up a proper feedback, by which we can understand that what are the things we can improve, and by which you will be also benefited, because we had the knowledge, right? And delivering contents, we had experience many years in the industry, and for the delivering contents we are here. But YouTube is not like an offline mode or some online training where the people will be sitting and will be just giving the lectures. YouTube is just not like that. In YouTube we will be saying, I don't know who will be watching from which place of the world. So that's why we want a proper feedback, by which we can understand that what are the things which I can improve, or which we can improve, so that you will be beneficial by our knowledge, right? So here we are not for learning, not for just see how the world is working, not like that. Here you will be getting the knowledge, or we will be transferring our knowledge to you guys. Okay, so basically what are the things we will be covering in the video in our entire channel, not in the video, in our entire channel. We will see that, we will watch that. And so stay tuned with me. And today's video will be about the workflow of the data science. What are the contents you will be getting in our channel? Okay, let us start. I hope my screen is visible to you guys. So basically, we are starting with the roadmap of data science. We are starting with the roadmap for data science. Roadmap for data science. Right. So in data science, what are the things you have to learn? From where you have to start? I know many of you will be having the question of this. Many of you even will be having the question that can a non-tech background student can join the data science, can work in the data science field? Yes, of course, you can. You are welcome to this field. You are absolutely welcome. Anyone from any place, any domain can join this industry, can come into this domain. But you need the consistency of the learning. You need that consistency, and with that consistency you can succeed. Obviously everything needs consistency, and here also you need some bare minimum time of around 1 year or 1.5 year, and by which you can easily crack the job if you are from the non-tech background. But for the tech background student, hardly 8 months is enough. 8 months to 10 months is enough. Okay, so let us start from where we'll be learning our data science, from where we'll be starting our data science journey. So first thing you will be learning over here is statistics. Statistics. Okay, now the statistics part will be covered by Suchna ma'am. The statistics part will be covered by Suchna ma'am. Okay, this will be the statistics first module. Second module, or you can say the parallel module or simultaneous module, like you can start simultaneously. That is, with statistics you can start with muscle learning. And in this muscle learning, we will be covering the contents from the very beginning, like data analysis, basics of data analysis, how we will be understanding the data, basics of data analysis. Because data is like the spirits, ghost, booth, right? Nowadays we are generating data, we are getting data from almost each and every sources, from almost each and every devices, like from each and every touch in the mobile or each and every tap in the computer. We are generating the data. Simple, we are generating the data. Now in this so much amount of data, we have to analyze it. Now why I have said that data are like ghosts, data are like spirits, because there are many spirits, many ghosts all around us. They just want to convey us some messages, but we can't understand it. We can understand them simply. So for understanding them, there are someone known as the ghost hunters or spirit hunters who can really communicate with the spirits. Now data are also like that. Data are also like that, because data also want to convey us some message which we can't understand. Which we can't understand. Normal people can't understand the what data wants to say us. So there are some hidden messages behind every data, and we have to understand that. So there is someone who are known as data analyst. They act like the ghost hunters. They will be understanding the psychology and the mentality of the data, that what data wants to say to us. Fine. So here you will be learning the data analysis. You will be learning three types of models in machine learning. Three models in machine learning, in ML. Sorry, three models in ML. Okay, and the third thing you will be learning how to deploy it. How to deploy it. And I have seen that in most of the channels, in most of the tutorials which are available in YouTube or in each and every courses, this thing is really missing. Deployment, how to deploy our models, how we can make our models live to the users, how we can make our models available for the public use. Now these things are really important for the industry. Now if you just really go for the Naukri profile or the LinkedIn profile, you will find one thing which will be there, that you need to know about CI/CD pipeline or ETL pipeline. Now what are these things? Now these things will be covered in this part, deployment. Deployment, how we can make this model live, or how we can make this model available for the public use. Done. Third thing we'll be starting with, deep learning. Okay, deep learning. And after deep learning, we'll be going on with generative AI. Generative AI. Okay, or you can simply say it in a layman's way or in a slang way, Gen AI. And this Gen AI is very trending term nowadays. Gen AI, something huge rocket science will be going on in behind of the Gen AI. It's not like that. It's very easy concept. Thing is very much logical. Things will be very logical. Okay, so for understanding Gen AI, don't just go and grab into the topics of Gen AI. It's not like that. You have to go in the flow. You have to maintain a proper roadmap. First start with the statistics and machine learning in a simultaneous way, in a same pace, because we will be starting on the same date. We will be posting the contents on the same date. So start with statistics and machine learning on the same day. Go through two topics in a day and try to cover the statistics and machine learning in one flow. Within 3 months, these two things will be covered. And now apply for the job of ML engineering. After completing this ML, after completing up to this part, you can apply the job for what are the parts? What are the job roles you can apply for? Data engineering, data engineering. You can apply for the job role of data analyst or market analyst or business analyst. Many trending terms are there nowadays. Data analyst. You can apply for the job role of machine learning engineer, ML engineer. Okay, now ML engineer needs to know the one thing, that is how to deploy it, or you can say one term known as ML ops. ML ops. Deployment also be included in the part of ML ops. It's kind of DevOps only. It's kind of DevOps only. How we can make our model available for the public use. That's it. Simple. How we can make our model available for the public use. That's it. Simple. As simple as that. But the concepts are there, very important pipelines are there, very important chains are there, and you have to follow it. Then only you can apply for those roles. So this is our first target, that we have to complete with the statistics and machine learning. Okay. One of the most important part I forgot, that on the weekend we will be providing you the content of Python. Python is also really important, because without Python, neither you can apply the statistics, or nor we can apply for the machine learning. Because Python is the ultimate important thing. Without Python, you cannot really go for statistics. You cannot implement statistics, nor you can implement this machine learning, or nor you will be going for deep learning or GenAI or anything. So Python is also the important thing. So those who don't know Python, so start with Python. First go for Python, because we'll be posting for the contents of Python at first. We'll be posting the contents of Python at first in the weekend batches. In weekend, we'll be posting the videos regarding Python. You will get a proper one-shot Python video. With that content, it will be more than enough for your entire data science journey. With that Python knowledge, it will be more than enough for your entire data science journey. Fine. Okay. So now the point is, what we will do next. I will not reveal that. Because the market is changing. Market is changing over time. And for taking the market in our hand, for taking the market in our grip, what we have to do? We have to learn the fundamental thing, that is statistics. Second is Python. Third is machine learning. Fourth is deep learning. Fifth is generative AI. Now, if we can mastery in this 5 part, Python also, I forgot to write it. Python also. This will also be coming in the weekend videos. Okay. And for statistics, machine learning, individual playlist will be there. So Python I will cover in one shot, and with that one shot, 7 hours or 8 hours, entire Python can be completed. Okay, Python for the entire data science can be completed. You just focus on one video, entire Python will be completed. I can assure you that. You don't have to rely on any other content, any other topic, or any other books. You don't have to open any books. Just focus on my content. I can assure you that. And After you are done with Python, go for statistics and machine learning and start it. Do it parallelly. Continue with continue this statistics and machine learning simultaneously. Don't go for statistics at first and then we'll be going for machine learning. Don't do that. It will be simply wasting your time. Start to complete the entire statistics and machine learning within 3 months or 4 months maximum. And within machine learning, we'll be completing or we'll be covering the entire MLOps part as well, because MLOps is really really important for the industry, for your job, how you can get a job in the market, and MLOps is really really important. Okay, so yeah, this will be all our roadmap initially, and then we'll be moving ahead, we'll be moving forward. First let us complete all the things by which you can get or you can keep a pace in the market, you can grab the market, you can get an entry in the market, you can take an entry in the market, right? And after that you can learn eventually with time. Got it? So that's it for today. uh, yeah, it's like if you do really like our video, just stay tuned with us and subscribe our channel please. And if you, one of the most important thing, I am again repeating the thing, that is, if you are getting anything you want to convey us, or any real feedback, honest feedback which we can improve, say it in the comment section. Say it to us, convey your messages, convey your problems to us, so that we can deliver you a perfect content, perfect knowledge. You will be benefited and we will be also benefited, because everything is both way, right? Everything is both way, nothing is one way. Simple, nothing is one way. Everything is commercial, nothing is private, nothing is one way. So if you will be benefited, we will be profitable. Simple. I am saying it in a simple layman's way. If you dislike it, then also it is fine. I am saying it in a simple layman's way. If you will be knowledgeable, you will be like you will get the knowledge, we will be profitable. That's it. And for that, if you have any honest feedback that we can improve, say it to us in the comment section, we will try to improve it. Fine. So that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe our channel if you do really like it. And yeah, we'll be meeting you in the next content. Bye everyone. Okay.